What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about Strcat and string copy, but before we go ahead and do that, let's go ahead and see a program that can convert a lowercase letter into an uppercase letter. Okay, now in order to do that, first of all I'm going to introduce some character type of variables. So let's go ahead and write character. Let's say a is equal to a, and then let me copy and paste it here. Copy, paste, and paste it one more time. So first I'm introducing a character that is lowercase, and here let's say this is B, and let's put an uppercase for this one. Now let's go ahead and see another one. Let's put a number for this one. Let's say 7. Okay. Now here we are going to see how to convert a lowercase letter into an uppercase letter. In order to do that, we have to create a printf statement. In this printf statement, we are going to write %c for character, and then \n for new line, end of the quad, and then to upper. This is the function that's going to convert a lowercase letter, it's going to convert a lowercase letter to an uppercase letter. So we put to upper for that, to upper, and we put a inside and a semicolon. Okay, now we do the same thing for others and see what we get. Paste it here, paste it here. For the first one it's A, for the second one it's B, for the third one it's C. Now what's going to happen is, for the first one it's going to convert this one into an uppercase letter, but when it goes to the second one, there's no lowercase letter, so it's going to just give the same output. For the third one it's just a number, so it's going to give the same output. So it only works if you have a lowercase letter. It just converts the lowercase letter into an uppercase letter. Now let's go and run this one and see what we get. Here you can see the lowercase letter A turned into an uppercase letter, but others just remain the same because this is already an uppercase letter, so there's nothing to do. And the other one is a number, so there's nothing to do. And that's how we can convert a lowercase letter into an uppercase letter. Okay. Now the next thing is, we are going to talk about Strcat and string copy. Now let's go ahead and see how does the Strcat work. But in order to do this one, first of all you have to include this one, include string.h. This one contains bunch of cool string functions, so you can try that and see how it works. String.h. Okay, that's it. Now let's get rid of all these things. So in order to check this one, first I'm going to introduce a character type of variable. Let's name it as something like muffin, and in this one I'm going to create an array. Let's put some big number because we need to make sure we have a bunch of space to do this. So I put 100, and first I'm going to begin with hey. Okay. Now the next thing is, we are going to see how does the Strcat work. Strcat is string can catenate. It means tag on end of the one string on the other. Like, it's going to, whatever the string we are typing, it's going to tag with the previous one, and it's going to combine all of them together and print it out. Let's go ahead and create Strcat, strcat for that. And here we have muffin, and I want to call hey Taliban. So in order to do that, I put Taliban right here, and then that's it for this one, and close this one and a semicolon, and that's it. Now we have to give a printf statement. Printf. Now for string we put %s for that, and \n, then comma muffin. Okay, now this one, let's go and run this one and see what we get. Okay, here it says hey Taliban. It's always good practice to leave a space after we write something. In that way it looks good. Okay, hey Taliban. Now the next thing is we are going to see how we can, like, this is not just one, we can do more than once. We can continuously add Strcat. Let's just copy paste here. Copy paste, copy paste. Okay, let's say Taliban you okay, I had to put a bracket here. Taliban you smell. Okay, now that's it. Now let's go and run this one. Oh, I always forget to leave a space here. It's always a good practice to leave a space. Okay. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Hey Taliban, you smell. But this is not true. I want to change this one, right? I want to overwrite and change this one. In order to do this, I'm going to introduce another type of function, that is string copy. That works similar to this, but that's different than this. This one, what does this one do? This one tag one string to the other, the end of the previous one, right? But this one completely replace the previous one and copy, like overwrite. Now let's see how does string copy works. Strcpy for string copy, and here I put the same thing, muffin, and here I'm going to say, since Taliban you smell, that's so mean and stuff like that, I'm going to override that one with Taliban is awesome. Okay, so here I'm going to close the bracket and semicolon, and we have to give a printf statement for that. Copy, paste it here. Let's go ahead and run this one. Here you can see, hey Taliban you smell. It override that one with Taliban is awesome. And that's how Strcat and string copy works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to try these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can try these codes. And also all my previous codes are in my blogger, so you can check it out. And I hope see you next time.